Hey guys, welcome back. So this is what I got the stand for. This is the Aputure 300x. This light has not been out very long. I also bought the barn doors from Aputure for this as well. This light's extremely bright. Let's see here. That's on 8%. You can see it immediately. You know, it's really strong. I played with this light for a few minutes, and let me tell you why I played with this light. Y'all want a good laugh? So I don't have it tightened down, so it's freely spinning. I took the strap here, instead of just draping it over, I actually strapped it to the stand. That way you get no cable weight on the thing. But here's for your good laugh. Guys, I just recorded 30 minutes of footage unboxing the light, but you guys have all seen it unboxed. Y'all know what it is. It's a case with a light in it, right? This is my very first Aputure light and first hands-on with it. I love it. Especially the 300x. It's a bicolor light, so I can make it several different colors. Right now I have a 30-degree light cutter in it, just playing with it. It's got a gel holder here that you can put your gels in, put it on front of the light cutter, and it's magnetically held to the front of the barn doors. I know y'all still waiting, huh? So 30 minutes of video unboxing the light, and I get it out. It says card's full. 128 gig card now is full. No audio, none whatsoever, not even backup audio. I didn't turn the mics on. I was just rambling away. Y'all are probably happy. So this is, like I said, my first experience. So a little note I did find out is on this light, you have to turn it on 2.4 gigahertz for you to be able to use the remote. I didn't read the instructions. I'm like, why in the heck my remote ain't working? I got it figured out. It's just that simple. It's got a Bluetooth option and then all wireless off. So with that being said, if you're freaking out about your remote, check and see what your wireless communication is, top right corner. As far as the light, I know this is way overpowered. I couldn't wait to unbox it and to be able to get it in the studio where I could actually use it. But I wanted you guys to check it out. The case, all metal except for this little plastic trim piece here. They say it's carbon fiber. In every video I've seen, guys, it's printed carbon fiber. It's not real carbon fiber. It's like plastic with a pattern on it. So don't think you're getting a piece of carbon fiber on your light. You're buying a light, not a car, or anything else carbon fiber we use for, you know, supports or anything of that nature. The Matthew stand is why I bought this light. Thank you, Potato Jet. I mean, you know, you didn't help none whatsoever except for showing that one little locking lug. Dude, the cables are really long. It's gonna be a really good light. I think I'm gonna like it. It's really bright. That's 1%, guys, 1%. I mean, just to crank it up for you here, I'll show you. This is on 5,500 Kelvin. I mean, you know, we're gonna get there, and I'm gonna get dark because the exposure's it's retarded. That's 100%. Now, just to show you guys, this is overpowering all my overheads, overpowering two newer, it's spelt weird, I call it newer, it might be incorrect. It's overpowering two newer lights. All this light's focused on me. But I could take this light, and I know I'm awful close, but I'll blow way, way overexposed and way bright, and I can't see nothing. So just to let y'all know, this light is very powerful, way more than what I need in this studio. And I'm turning it down now so you can see me, and I don't know, y'all want to look at me anyway. But I'll put it back on 1%. And this is their bicolor edition. For first impressions, man, for my first Aputure light ever, awesome light. But it's got some presets in it. There's 2700, 3200, 4300, 5500, and of course 6500, which it's still overpowering at 1%. I mean, really, guys, look. It's crazy bright. So I'll be able to use this with the videos, with still photos, stuff of that nature. But I really wanted to get it in here, so I made 2 videos of one day. Actually, now it would be 3 because the first one I didn't get audio on this light. So the main thing is, guys, it's a good light. I mean, you're gonna pay for it. It's $11.99. As the last I looked, it is sold out on B&H, so you may have to wait a little while. I know Aputure's getting kind of slow getting stuff in, but with everything that's going on in the world, I understand why. if you're looking at it and you're on the fence about it, and it's your first Aputure light and you never had one in your hands, like I said, I'm gonna be your guys' hands and eyes and tell you how this stuff really is. This is a very, very good light. Make sure you have a good heavy stand to put it on. It is heavy. They give you a strap, a shoulder strap with this bag. I'm not shoulder strapping this bag. I wish you had wheels. And I have a case in the other room. I may put the bag itself in the case because it's about the same size. It has wheels on it. That way I can just wheel this thing in where I go. Because I'm going to be carrying my camera bag, which is my Peter McKinnon bag, which that's a great bag. But if you're on the fence, get the light. You won't regret it. You will not regret it. Playing with it for now about an hour, and it's a really good light. So I hope you guys found this useful. If you have any questions about it, ask down in the comments. Speaking of comments, I just recently moved my channel over to a branded channel. All my videos prior have had me answer comments in there, and if you go back and look, you'll see people look like they're talking to themselves, and that's because I was answering the comments. But when I moved the channel over to a branded channel, all my comments go away. So, you guys, it was a lot of comments. I'm not going to sit back and answer all of them again. From here forward, I will speak to you in the comments as I can. Right now I have, 108 subscribers. So, I mean, it's not a lot of you out there, but I don't mind talking to you guys. Ask. If you want to know something specific about this light, just ask. I'll tell you. It's a heavy light. It needs a good heavy stand. The Matthews stand is good. It's a good robust stand. And the only reason it's wobbling because I don't have it tight. If I tighten it up like you're supposed to, it looks great. The reflector mount, it's not a reflector mount, it's a Bowens mount. A lot of people complained on the 300 that in the 120 that it was really, really wobbly, really loose. This it does have a little wobble in it, but it'll be fine. The fans are running. You can't hear them. I can't hear them. I can't hear them over my air conditioner. So it's worth it. Get it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, you think I rambled too much, give it a thumbs down. Tell me I rambled too much. Hey, interaction's interaction, right? Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. We're going to open up something else.